how to fix call failed issue on Android. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will see how we can fix call issue on Android. So without further ado, let's get started. The call failed issue on Android can occur due to various reasons such as the network problems, SIM issue, or software glitches, or any other configuration error. So here are some steps that will help you to fix it. First of all, check your network signal. You have to move to an area with a better network coverage. After that, you can switch between your network modes. For that, go to your settings. Go to your mobile network and internet, then go to your mobile network. Now choose your preferred SIM and then scroll down a bit. There, tap on preferred network type, and here now you can switch between 4G, 3G or 2G and check whether that solves your problem or not. If not, try to toggle airplane mode. You can close this, go to your quick settings, and here go to the airplane mode and turn on the airplane mode for a few seconds and then turn off to reset the network connections. Once you have done that, check whether that will help you or not. If still not, then restart your phone. A simple restart can resolve minor software glitches. After that, check your SIM card. Reinsert the SIM. For that, power off your phone, remove the SIM card and clean it gently and reinsert it. You can test the SIM card in another phone as well. Insert the SIM card in another phone to see if the issue persists. If the SIM is faulty or inactive, you have to contact your SIM carrier service. If that still does not help you, now you have to clear the phone app cache. So for that, go to the settings, tap on apps, tap on see all apps. Here tap on the search icon at the top right and simply search for phone. Go to the phone application, then go to storage and cache. Here tap on clear cache. Once you have done that, now you can close settings and then again check whether the problem is solved now or not. If still not, now you can reset your network settings. So for that, again go to the settings, scroll down, tap on system, and then go to reset options. In here now you can reset your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and your network settings from here. Tap on reset settings, and after you reset that, you can go back and check whether your problem will now get solved or not. So if none of these steps work, you can reach out to your mobile carrier for support. There might be an issue with your account or the network. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.